Hey everybody, it's Derek here from HobbyBoxBreakers.com with tonight's 2012 Panini Prestige. This one did sell better than the first one, so thanks for that. And I didn't show it on the preview video tonight, but I did on last week's. So if you want, there's the serial number 352-922-198. If you want to go back and check last week's preview video, it was on there. So I just forgot to list it last weekend. Let's hope we get lucky. Yes, cheesy, I know. Struggle. And the packaging is just an F from Panini. Andre Johnson, Jay Cutler, Mercedes Lewis, Michael Turner, extra points, gold, not numbered. Mark Barron, Jimmy Graham, Mike Tolbert, Eli Manning. Jared Allen, Rashard Mendenhall, D'Angelo Hall, John Beeson, Maurice Jones-Drew, Peyton Hillis, another extra points gold, Jamal Charles, Courtney Upshaw. Brandon Gibson, Ben-Jarvis Green-Ellis, Brett Keisel, DeMarcus Ware, Early Doucette, and A.J. Jenkins, extra points. It's numbered to 999, the Blues. League leaders, Johnson and Welker, and Zach Brown. Darren McFadden, James Laurinaitis, Christian Ponder. David Nelson, Owen Daniels, Andy Dalton. Another extra points parallel, Matthew Stafford, Jeff Fuller. Like they made the gold parallel the unnumbered one. Well, I guess that's kind of how Bowman does it too. So. LeGarrette Blount, Sean Green, Doug Baldwin, Beanie Wells, Eric Decker. Extra points blue, Cyrus Gray. Draft City Destinations, Kendall Wright for the Titans. And Bernard Pierce. Vernon Davis, Mark Sanchez, Richard Seymour, Alshon Jeffrey, Andre Johnson, Nate Burleson, Steve Johnson, Matt Schaub. Brandon Jacobs, Alden Smith, Ahmad Bradshaw, Matt Forte, DJ Williams, Haloti Nada, Brian Quick, that's a draft insert of some sort, and Stephon Gilmore, not sure about him. Still learning the rookies, except for my Colts. Phillip Rivers, Marcus Colston, Malcolm Floyd. Oh man, these are just so poorly packaged. A.J. Hawk, Brian Urlacher, Paul Posluszny, a prestigious picks, Brock Osweiler, not numbered, and Lamar Miller for the Dolphins. So still no hits. Probably about a third of the way through the box. Marshawn Lynch, Brandon Lloyd, Rob Gronkowski. This has something in it at least. Greg Little, Patrick Peterson, Brandon Pettigrew, Team Foundations, game used jersey at least, of Darren McFadden, number to 249. Justin Blackman, Draft City Destinations, and Marvin McNutt for the Eagles. Frank Gore, Antrell Roll, Rondé Barber. These are so hard to read. Matt Castle, Laurent Robinson, Tim Tebow, Brock Osweiler, Brandon Weeden. If it's a player I don't instantly recognize, it's fine, it's so small. Jeremy Maclin, Nate Washington, Jacoby Ford, Donald Brown, Jerome Simpson, Brandon Marshall, Adrian Peterson, AJ Jenkins. Mark Ingram, Takeo Spikes, Lance Moore, Arian Foster, Devin Hester, Mike Thomas, Jared Allen, Ruben Randall. Jason Babin, Roy Halou Jr., Deshaun Jackson, Mark Tyler. Let me put that down for a second. That's the hit. I'll put it up in the screen though so you can see I'm not moving. Willis McGahee, Anquan Bolden, Jermichael Finley, Bernard Pierce, and it is a top 5 pick, but it's Ryan Khalil for the Vikings. So we got an auto of him last time and a jersey this time. Could be worse, I guess. Could be a undrafted player or something like that. Darrelle Revis, Tavares Jackson, Plaxico Burress, Kirk Cousins, DeMarco Murray, Fred Jackson, Jacoby Jones, and Cameron Wake. Ted Ginn Jr., Hakeem Nicks, Navarro Bowman, Dwayne Bowe, Joe Flacco. There's the first auto. Kendall Wright for the Titans, numbered out of 499, wide receiver. Where's he? Where did he go to school? Baylor. Oh yeah, RG3's target. So at least it's a first-round pick. We got Dwayne Allen and Luke Kuechly. So one more auto in here. I think it's 2 auto. Yeah, at least 2 autographs guaranteed. Chris Johnson, Carson Palmer, Chris Long, Melvin Ingram, prestigious picks Harrison Smith, Ryan Fitzpatrick, Andre Caldwell, and Matt Moore. LaShawn McCoy, Matt Hasselbeck, Terrell Pryor, Kendall Wright, prestigious picks Chandler Jones, Marcel Darius, Brian Cushing, Johnny Knox. Take the packs out since there's the empty box. It's kind of hard to see in there now. We got 6 left. One more auto in here. Santonio Holmes, Sidney Rice, Brian Hartline, Dan Herron, Trent Richardson. I think that's an SP. The draft ones, the ones that the jerseys usually are. So in the first 2 boxes, we got an SP of Richardson and an SP of RG3. DeQuell Jackson, Kevin Cobb, Javid Best. Still no RG3 or Luck in this one. No. But I don't think we had a Trent Richardson last time. And Sam Bradford, Tom Brady, James Harrison, Nick Perry, a Draft City Destinations of AJ Jenkins, Tony Romo, Andre Roberts, and Ndamukong Suh. Patrick Willis, Victor Cruz, Michael Crabtree, Brian Quick, a draft ticket of DeVere Posey, and a refractor type thing of Kendall Wright, Draft City Destination. That's numbered out of 100. Champ Bailey and Ed Reed. Aaron Hernandez, Ben Roethlisberger, London Fletcher. I held my breath hoping that was an auto, but Trent Richardson. A draft ticket of Kobe Fleener, Jordy Nelson, Ray Rice, and Tim Tebow. Nothing special about any of those. Earl Thomas, Adrian Peterson, Troy Polamalu, Jarius Wright, Prestigious Picks, Chris Givens, Greg Olson, Pierre Garcon, Colt McCoy. 2 packs left. There should be one more auto in here. Darius Hayward-Bay, Josh Freeman, Dustin Keller, Ryan Lindley, Connections, Arian Foster and Andre Johnson. And here's the second auto, George Iloka for the Bengals. 5th round pick out of Boise State. He is a safety. And then we got Tony Gonzalez and Larry Fitzgerald. I didn't sit out the Trent Richardson SP, but last pack. Wes Welker, Ryan Matthews, Darren Sproles, Quentin Copelas, Tony Romo, Ryan Grant, Jonathan Stewart, and Blaine Gabbert. So, shut out on the Luck and RG3 front. I got a Richardson SP though, and the regular Richardson rookie. So good for the Browns. Pretty decent box for the Browns for not getting a hit. And here were the hits: the George Iloka auto, the Kendall Wright auto for the Titans, the Matt Khalil player worn jersey, and the Darren McFadden Team Foundations jersey. So thanks again. The next one of these is going to go up on eBay tomorrow night, and it will end on the Sunday night. So check that out. That's about all I got. Thanks again for your purchases, and I'll get your cards in the mail.